Hi there, I'm Katie, the founder of KJD Design and Events. Today I'll show you just how easy it is to personalise one of our gorgeous butterfly party banners. Once you've selected your banner design, click on the Order Now button to get started. You'll see the editable design and preview appear. To add your own photo, just click on Image Upload and choose your favourite photo and it will appear right in place. You can resize or reposition the photo by clicking and dragging it. Just make sure it fits nicely in the frame. Next, click on the editable text fields to update the message for your celebration. You can even select your own font color or font in some designs. Once you're happy with your design, check the preview and click Add to Cart. Your banner will be printed exactly as shown. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you create something truly special.